Hi friends, welcome back to Korshika. Today in this tutorial, you will learn how to load initial some data into Django models. For that, we need to use Django fixtures. So friends, if you like my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. Okay, so let's start this tutorial. So here I have already created one model that is person with fields name, company and city. Okay, so let's create migrations for the model. I will run the command python manage.py make migrations src. Okay, then next I will create the database tables using command python manage.py migrate src. Okay, so in this model I want to load some initial data. For that we will be using Django fixtures. Okay, a fixture is a collection of data given in a specific format, and that data is the initial data for the database. Okay, and Django will insert that data into the database. Okay, so fixtures can be written in JSON, XML and YML format, but in this tutorial we will write in JSON format. Okay, so first we need to create fixtures directory inside our app. So here I will create a directory fixtures. Okay, next we will create a fixture for the person model in JSON format. Okay, so here I will create a file with the name person underscore data dot json. Okay, for the JSON format fixture, we need to create the file with the JSON extension. Okay, so here we are going to specify the list of JSON objects of data. So list of JSON objects, that is curly brace, then model colon. Here we will specify the model in which we are going to insert the data. That is first src, that is the app name dot person, that is a person model. Okay, next pk colon. Here we specify the value for the default primary key, that is id field of the model, and here I will set id to 1. Okay, so next fields colon. Here we will specify values for the model fields. So again it is it is an JSON object, so curly brace, then the for name value for the name field. Okay, Lennon. Then for the company field, TCS. Then the value for city field, city colon Pune. Okay, next to insert the data from this fixture into our database table, we need to run the command python manage.py load data and the fixture file name, that is person underscore data dot json. Okay, it is showing the message, so I will refresh here. Okay, you can see here we have successfully inserted the data from the fixture into the person database table. Okay, next we can insert another data by typing here comma, then another JSON object. So first I will copy this. Here I will give the id value to 2, then the name Sonal Lewin. Here I will give company name. Okay, I will specify another JSON object. I will copy this. Here I will set the id value to 3. Okay, then the name, then the company name, then city. Okay, now again we need to run the load data command. Okay, okay, now I will refresh here. Okay, you can see here we now successfully inserted another data from the fixture with the same values you can see here. So friends, in this tutorial you learned how to load initial data into our Django database tables. Okay, that is Django models. So if you like my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. Okay, so I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.